Hey everybody, welcome back to day 4. And today what we're going to talk about is your how you get paid. How do I get paid? Why am I doing this? Why am I reaching out to people? Um, you know, how is it going to benefit me? You're benefiting others by helping them to get healthy, and you're benefiting others to help them, financially too, if they want to do the business. And so this is your part of getting help financially. Okay, it's how you get paid. So most of you guys are here just to get your products paid for, and that's exactly why I started. Was to get my products paid for. I did not want to have to come out of pocket with it because I'm kind of stingy with my money. Okay, and I really love the products and I didn't want to stop taking them, so that's why I started trying to get my products paid for. Okay, so I'm going to be looking at my notes and I won't be talking much today. I'm going to show you some things about what you're going to do today. But so one of the things that you're going to do is you are going to go into your virtual office. So I'm already logged into mine. You're going to go over here to Training Center and go down to Rank Up Roadmap. And you are going to go into Silver because that's what you're working for. Now, you're going to watch a video. It's called Multiple Ways to Earn. It's about a 10-minute video. But I'm going to show you how to get to it. Okay, you have to scroll all the way down here to the bottom. And you see more. I'm going to click on that. And you're going to have to click on that a few times. These are lots and lots of videos in here that you guys can watch. And then you can click them off. You just click off when you have completed it. But it's good, some good training in here. Okay, multiple ways to earn. So you're going to click that view more a couple of times, and then this is about a 10-minute video, and it talks about the 11 different ways that you can earn money with Plexus. Okay, but I want to go back up and just show you really quick our compensation plan. Give it a second. This is in your office underneath Silver Ambassadors. You go in and click compensation plan, and you can download it to your desktop. I'm sorry, it's taken a second. And I'm not going to go through the whole thing because there's also going to be another video that I want you guys to watch that it's an overview of the compensation plan, so you'll be able to see it. Okay, so these are the different levels. We have just ambassador. And then we have senior ambassador. That's when you have 2 ambassadors underneath you. And then you have silver, okay, and gold, senior gold, ruby, senior ruby, emerald, sapphire, or diamond, okay? This is when you get your Plexus Lexus right here. Yay, right? Okay, so that's just the highlights of what you need in your organization to move up to each of these levels. And then this is where it talks about the different ways that you can get paid. I'm not going to talk about that because they're going to do that later. This right here is showing you how many, like we have, out of our organization, we have 82%, about 82% of our organization are just ambassadors. And 5% are senior ambassadors. And 8.96% are silver ambassadors, and this is the average annual income, just depending on how hard you work and what your goal is. Okay, now I have to say that I received my 1099, and this was actually exactly what mine was last year. And again, I didn't work it consistently. But that was an average. So I was like a third of the time working the business. So I mean that was right on the dot about what I was earning. And so you have gold ambassadors. That's where I am now. Senior gold, ruby, senior ruby, emerald, and this is where I want to be at the end of this year. Senior ruby right here. So just look at this and try to determine where you want to be at the end of the year or in just a few months. And then you have Emerald. So when you hit Emerald, you're making six-figure income, which is absolutely just marvelous. It's fantastic. And then it goes up higher with Sapphire and Diamond. So I'm not going to, like I say, go over this. You guys can pull this up and look at it because you need to get familiar with your virtual office and be able to pull things up and get information. I know that with me, when I do it myself, it's easier for me to remember it. Besides, if somebody, if somebody was just telling me everything, I'm just not gonna. I won't absorb it. I have to go in and look at things, and I have to see it for myself and work through it myself. Okay, so that's our compensation plan. So what you're going to do now, like I say, is you're going to go in and you're going to go all the way down to multiple ways to earn. Okay, so you're going to do that, multiple ways to earn. When you're finished with that, there's also going to be a video inside the chat, which is an overview of the compensation plan. And so you may hear some of the same things twice, which is perfectly fine because a lot of times we need to, especially with me, I have to have repetition there, okay? That just helps you to understand it a little bit more, okay? So you're going to watch those two videos, and then you're going to contact 5 people. Make sure you contact your 5 people for today. So by the end of the week, by Friday, you're going to have 25 people that you've contacted. And tomorrow we are going to look at how to follow up with our customers or follow up with our potentials. And then on Monday, we will look at customer versus ambassador, like who would you want as your customers and who would you want as your ambassadors, okay? So we're going to look at, the difference there. And if you have any questions, please let me know. I am here. Like I said, I am dedicated to you guys always, but especially this month because of the awesome incentive that Plexus is giving. And I want everybody to earn that $225 this month and then an extra bonus in March. So if you have any questions, please let me know. I am here to help you guys. Thank you so much. You guys are doing awesome.